Wait lang, bakit ngayon ko lang ito nalaman? Hidden Nature Cafe in Pampanga na parang mini vacation spot? And no, hindi resort, cafe siya. Okay, fine, I was really about to gatekeep this pero deserve niyang malaman. This is Magayon Cafe in Ayala, Magalang, Pampanga. Pagpasok pa lang, parang automatic na nag-slow motion ang buhay. Wooden bridges over a pond, surrounded by big trees and lush plants, as in literally nature vibes. Parang nasa family rest house ka na may sariling garden, fresh air, tahimik. Perfect if gusto mo mag-reset from city noise. Alfresco dining siya so habang kumakain ka or nagkakape, puro greenery yung view mo. Very relaxing, very fresco, very main character na naghihilang vibes. Now let's talk about the drinks and food. They have a good variety of drinks, coffee, refreshing beverages, and honestly, reasonable yung pricing for the ambience you're getting. Hindi siya nakakagulat sa bill at sulit na sulit sa experience. They also serve food, okay naman and bagay sa chill vibes ng place pero sana soon madagdagan pa yung food options nila para mas marami pang choices, especially pag gutom na gutom ka na at ayaw mo na umalis. Pero ito na talaga yung masayang part. Hindi lang siya cafe, may activities sila. May swings and duyan kung gusto mo magpahinga. May basketball area, billiards, karaoke, board games, and grabe, sobrang na-enjoy namin yung Jenga as in competitive mode kami dun. Tawanan, sigawan, lahat na. Nag-billiards din kami and feeling pro kahit hindi naman marunong. Confidence lang, puhunan syempre. Pero pinaka-highlight talaga, yung fish feeding. May fish pan sila and pwede mag-feed yung guests. Akala ko nga lang chill siya pero girl, muntik na ako mahulog sa pan. Sobrang kasing pabida ng person. Buti na lang may railing. That would have been viral for the wrong reason. Pero honestly, that's what makes it fun. Hindi lang siya tambayan, it's an experience. So if you're looking for a peaceful spot na pwedeng pang date, pang family, pang barkada, or kahit solo ka lang na gustong mag-unwind, this is a must try. Magayon Cafe, naturescape without leaving Pampanga. And okay, I shared it na, pero behave lang tayo ha. Baka bumalik kasi ako tapos hindi na siya peaceful. Yun lang, salamat!